Hello, my name is Nikayla Kennel. You might notice that everything in here is still fall. We're gonna change that really fast. You know, I can't do this video without changing it. This feels right. So earlier this week, I ended up getting a new phone, and the phone itself, it's gorgeous, you know? This case, although it's artsy and beautiful, it is not holiday season enough. We're gonna make a case out of this for the Grinch. is my favorite case that is ever cased. It is the weirdest thing I think I've ever created, and I've made a robot coming out of a pie before. You know, I actually really enjoy this case. I thought that I would make it and it'd be super gimmicky and that I wouldn't care about it after the fact. But I'm actually gonna use this. Well, you can't trust the who's down who though. No, you got it all wrong. She was improperly packaged. That's why she didn't go in the sorting machine. I feel like with this phone case, I just have to go and ruin everyone's Christmas. That's what I'm gonna do. And if you want to ruin everyone's Christmas with me, please like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. We're going to be making ornaments next week, so please comment on any ornaments you want to see down below. And I will see you guys next week. I think that's all I need to say. Goodbye.